installing the center section of the rear end. As you can see, got the chassis hanging. Gonna lift the chassis up, put it down right on top of the center section. There it is right there on my table, ready to go in, all painted purdy, and start the build. Here we go. You can notice there's a blue rag inside on the frame. The front part of that center section is going to rest there as you're putting it in. And if you don't protect it, it's going to scrape it up, whatever you have there, either paint or powder coat. It'll tear it up badly. So make sure you tape something or protect it in that area. It's a real pain to get off, so try to tape it on the edges once it's in, and use tape you can rip easily, like masking tape or something. If you use electrical tape, you'll probably never get the stuff out. It's real tight once that section is in place. Once you get the center section up in place, you'll notice that some of your brackets or some of your little tabs may need to be moved. Mine had to be moved about 1/16 of an inch over to the passenger side. So if you notice in the next upcoming pictures, you notice a bunch of ratchet straps. What I had to do was put it up in place, use ratchet straps to kind of squish some of the bushings so I could get the center section bolts in place. Centerpiece is in. What a pain in the ass. Something wasn't aligned correctly. You'll see the last picture, there's a bunch of ratchet straps and all that trying to pull it into place. But there it is. It's mounted. It's in. It's done.